In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add a booking form in WordPress for 2025. If you're looking to create a seamless appointment booking process on your website, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward. So let's dive right in. First, make your way over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your WordPress dashboard. You can usually find the login option at the upper right corner of the page. Now, if you're logged into Google on your browser, WordPress makes it quite easy to log in using your Google account, which saves a bunch of time. Simply click on Continue with Google. This method not only speeds things up, but also keeps your login process secure and efficient. After clicking that, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Pick the one associated with your WordPress website and give it a moment to load. Once you're in your dashboard, focus your attention on the right panel where you'll find quick links. Here, look for Edit Site and give it a click. This will take you into the editing mode of your website where you can start adding new features, like the booking form we're about to set up. Now that you're in the editing section, look around for a plus icon. This icon allows you to add a new block to your page. If you've used WordPress before, you're probably familiar with how blocks work. They're like building pieces of your web page, customizable and easy to rearrange. When you click on the plus icon, you're going to see a field where you can search for different types of blocks. Here, type in the word booking. This search will pull up options related to booking features you can integrate into your site. From the list of options that appear, you're looking for one labeled Appointment Form. When you see it, click on it. Adding an appointment form is a great way to allow visitors to schedule consultations or meetings directly through your site, providing both convenience for your users and a touch of professionalism to your online presence. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a booking form to your WordPress site, making scheduling easy and efficient for your visitors. As you can see, a few simple clicks and you're ready to start managing appointments with ease. If you encounter any issues or have any more questions, feel free to reach out for additional help. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.